In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a VOD track in OBS so your Twitch VODs don't get muted because of music, while your live stream still sounds exactly the way you want. This is one of the most important OBS settings for Twitch streamers, especially if you play background music during your streams. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean VOD with just your mic and game audio, and your live viewers will still hear everything. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more OBS and streaming tutorials, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to enable the Twitch VOD track inside OBS. Go ahead and open OBS, then click on Settings in the bottom right corner. From the left-hand menu, click on Output. At the top, you'll see Output Mode. Change this from Simple to Advanced. This unlocks extra audio options that we need. Once you're in Advanced mode, stay on the Streaming tab. Here, you'll see an option called Twitch VOD track. Go ahead and check that box. Right below it, you'll see a drop-down for the track number. Select Track 2. This tells OBS that Track 2 will be used for your Twitch VOD audio, while Track 1 remains your livestream audio. Once that's set, click Apply so the changes are saved. Next, we need to route your audio correctly. This is where most people get confused, but it's actually very simple. Look at the Audio Mixer section in OBS, where you see your mic, desktop audio, and music sources. Right-click anywhere inside the Audio Mixer and click on Advanced Audio Properties. This opens a new window where you can control exactly which audio goes to which track. This is the key to separating your live audio from your VOD audio. Now let's configure the tracks properly. You'll see multiple columns labeled Track 1, Track 2, and so on. Track 1 is your livestream audio. For Track 1, make sure everything is checked that you want your live audience to hear. This usually includes your microphone, your game audio, and your music. Track 2 is your VOD track. This is what Twitch saves after the stream ends. On Track 2, you want to uncheck music. Leave your mic and game audio checked. This way, your VOD will include your voice and gameplay, but not your music. This prevents dmca muting and keeps your VODs clean and safe. Once you've set that up, double-check everything. Track 1 should have mic, game, and music enabled. Track 2 should only have mic and game enabled. When that looks correct, close the Advanced Audio Properties window. That's it. You don't need to restart OBS, and you don't need any plugins or extra software. To quickly test this, you can start a short private stream on Twitch, play some music, and then check the VOD afterward. You'll hear the music live, but it won't be present in the VOD. This setup is used by most professional Twitch streamers, and is essential if you want to protect your channel long-term. And that's how you set up a VOD track in OBS. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more streaming and OBS tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.